To successfully integrate your PDQ machine into your Swoopos point-of-sale till system, you need to first go to the Thing app. The Thing app will allow you to find an IP address to successfully integrate your PDQ machine. So once you've clicked on the Thing app, you then need to click on the Devices button in the bottom left-hand corner. Once you've done that, in the top right-hand corner there will be a little refresh button. If you click that, this will then refresh all the IP addresses in your local area. Once you have done that, it will now give you a list of all the non-available IP addresses. As you can see on the right hand side, ours ranges from 192.168.1.1 to 192.168.1.148. So for example, we can't use the IP address 192.168.1.1 because it's showing here, which means it's in use. However, we can use the IP address 192.168.1.2 because it's not showing. So this means that you can use any IP address that isn't shown in this range of IP addresses. So once you've done that, you've noted down your IP address, for example ours is 192.168.1.2, you will then need to click in the top left hand corner on the little Wi-Fi symbol with the name of your router. Once you've done that, it will then bring you to another page. If you scroll down and click on more details just on the right part of the screen, it will then give you your gateway, DNS and your local address. These are very essential to the essential information to integrating your PDQ machine. Once you have these details, just note them down so that you can integrate them into your PDQ machine. To successfully integrate your PDQ machine into the Swoopos point-of-sale till system, you need to log into your department ID, which will already be set up for you. And then you need to enter your user ID, which is 1234, and the password is exactly the same, 1234. Once you've done this, you then need to go to the menu page, which is number 5, and then to supervisor, which is number 2, and then to network settings, which is number 1. It will then give you 3 options. You want to click on the Wi-Fi, which is number 2. And then it will ask you to manually configure Wi-Fi settings. You want to click the red button, which is no. It will then scan for Wi-Fi networks. You want to make sure you find the Wi-Fi network that your iPad is also going off on. So ours is the TP-Link. You then want to enter the Wi-Fi password. There it is. Once you click on that, it should automatically connect, as we're now connected. There it is. Once you click on that, it should automatically go to your Swoopos connected. On the top right hand corner, then you need to go to your Swoopos wheel, which is your settings page. On the top right hand corner, your manager's code, the cogs wheel, which is go to the hardware page, enter your manager's code, your printer. Then ask you go to the hardware page. This will then bring up your printer. Here you can successfully see your Bluetooth printer. If we click till printer, here you can successfully see your Bluetooth printer, and then successfully put through a transaction, and then successfully put through a transaction. Once you've successfully put that in, you want to click at the green button to proceed. The gateway should also have been pulled off the Finger app. That is 192.168.1.1. Click the green button to proceed. The preferred DNS is exactly the same as the gateway, which also should have been pulled off the Finger app. That is 192.168.1.1. It will then ask you for your alternative DNS. That is 8.8.8.8, then click the green button to proceed again. This will then start validating your connection, and if successful, it will then restart the PDQ machine. will now say that it is importing your current configuration. This usually takes about 15 seconds. Once it is 100% complete, it will then bring you back to your department ID page, which you want to click the green button to proceed. Then you want to enter in your user ID. For this, we'll use 4321. Once again, we will use 4321 for the password. This will then log you in to your supervisor PDQ login. So once you have successfully integrated your PDQ, you then need to go to your venue profile on your back office dashboard, and then to the edit page, and then you need to scroll down, and here you will see it says PAX user ID, which is 1234, and the PAX password is also the same, 1234. On the right hand side here, it will ask for your name of PDQ. You can put whatever you want, so we'll just put test, and then the IP address that you used from the Thing app. For example, we used that IP address there, ending in 2, and then your department ID, which will already be integrated into your PDQ machine. And this is the ID that you use to log in. So as is 4835. Once you have successfully done that, if you just click update, OK, it will then 100% integrate your PDQ machine into your Swoopos point of sale till system.